before you leap. Good evening to all the viewers of Corona Wellness Program from Facebook and YouTube. I hope you all are having a pleasant evening. The Corona Wellness Program is an initiative by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka with the blessings of our State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sindhya Sir along with Manoj Lekhi ji from LIA, Life Essence Academy. This is a holistic healing session featuring Mr. Yash Agarwal and Ms. Vasha N. Rane. I would also like to welcome the host for today, Mr. Vishal Methi. Over to you, sir.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Hope you're enjoying your life along with your friends and family. This is 30 minutes session. First 20 minutes will be covered by Yash Agarwal ji for physical exercises. And then next 10 minutes will be for the meditation with Manoj Lekhi's guided meditation. So I welcome Yash Agarwal ji for physical exercises. Over to you, Yash.
Thank you so much. So, guys, today exercise is going to be more of a towel exercise. So, make sure you're using this a bigger towel, not a small towel. It's very important to use a bigger towel so that you can get a proper grip. Plus, you can wide also. So, if you want to increase your wideness, you can increase that. So, fold this towel and then we'll start using this. So just fold this. So after you fold this, make sure your grip is very tight. It should not get open up. Grip should be very tight. Stretch, stretch, straight. Now we'll do some shoulder moves. We'll take this back and forward. We'll take this back and forward. So in this way, we'll do some shoulder movements and arm movements also. So make sure inhale exhale should be normal, slow, but your arm should go back as much as possible and come make it fast. So this one will do it at least for 10 repetitions. Okay, let's start. Start from here. It should be closer to your chest. 1, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Okay, stop. So now what we'll do? We'll again utilize this towel. But now we'll do some kind of a squats. So this is more of a overhead squats. So while doing the squats, make sure you should have your chair. And if you like to do without a chair, you can do without a chair as well. So what we are going to do, this is called overhead squats. This is good for your legs muscles. So again, grip should be very tight now, but should not hold so wider. Whenever you're making this grip, it should be equal distance. It should be equal distance. Okay, it should be equal distance. And your shoulder will be up. Your leg should be little wide and diagonal. Your knee and toe should match on the same line. And just go down, touch here and come up. Your hand will remain like this, straight. So we'll do this at least for 10 repetitions. But your shoulder should be straight and your grip should be very tight, very tight. Inhale exhale should be up. So आपको सांस, you just need to take inhale exhale up. So like this, hold and come up and exhale. Okay, let's start. Let's do for 10 repetitions. 1, grip tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, just relax, just relax. कुर्सी को भी एक बार हटा देना आपको. अभी हम जो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे वो आपके बैक के लिए काफी अच्छा है, स्पेशली योर अपर बैक. सो आपको अगेन क्या करना है, ग्रिप को एकदम टाइट से पकड़ना है. कितना वाइड पकड़ना है, शोल्डर, आपका जो शोल्डर लेंथ है, शोल्डर से आपको वाइड करके रखना है. इट शुड बी अवे फ्रॉम योर शोल्डर. one steps, that's it. Then your body should be straight, stable. Leg should be straight 90 degree. Grip should be very tight, remember that. And you need to push your hips back. Back should be straight. And look down, don't look straight, don't look up, look down, look straight in the front. And your grip should be tight and lift. 1. Like this, you need to touch the towel between your core and chest muscle. Okay, in middle of your core, you need to touch this towel, and inhale exhale should be down. So inhale exhale आपको कहाँ करना है, नीचे की तरफ करना है. Okay, let's start. Down, down, down. Knee should be a little bit bent, body straight. Okay, body straight. Let's start with 10 repetition. Inhale exhale down. 1. Grip tight. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Very nice. Superb. Too good. So now we'll just take 3 times inhale, exhale. Then we'll switch to another exercise. Take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath and relax. Just take a deep breath. Up. Take a deep breath. Release. Take a deep breath. Release. Take a deep breath and release. Now, again, your grip should be little wide. Little wide like this. Now, after this, split your legs, but make sure it is very important to balance. Very important to balance. Your hand should be like this. And we'll do some sideways. 1. Come up. 2. Okay. So whenever doing the sideways, don't bend forward. Don't bend forward like this. Bend on the sideways. You can bend little bit on the back side also. Okay. Let's start. We'll do this at least for 10 repetition. Again, 5 from each side. Grip tight. Grip tight. Grip tight. Just see how I'm holding. Grip tight. We'll start. 1. So whenever it's bending, inhale and exhale. 2. 3. So whenever you're coming up, pause yourself, then go down on the opposite side. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Okay. Just relax. Again, take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath and release. Take a deep breath and release. Take a deep breath and release. Just release yourself. Just relax yourself. After this, just lie down. You should have your towel with you. Now, grip should be shoulder width, not away from your shoulder. Not, it should be too close. It should be shoulder width, like this, straight. Hold the grip very tightly. Very tightly. Okay. After this, just fold your legs. Fold your legs. Just release. Once your back is straight, body straight, straight your body, straight your legs as well. Your towel should be straight. Okay. And look at your towel. Just look at your towel. Just focus on your towel. And you just need to do a leg raise. But make sure whenever you're lifting your legs up, it should be almost 90 degrees. Try, and whenever you're taking it up, again you need to exhale. So breathing is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So take it up and exhale from mouth. So in this way, we'll continue for 10 repetition. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it slowly. 9, 10. Excellent. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Take out a breath and relax. Take out a breath and relax. Now the exercise is going to be a little different, but it is going to be connected with the towel only. So you need to hold on the towel. You just need to hold this towel basically and fold your legs. Just fold your legs like this. And your toes, your heels, your feet should not be touched on the floor directly. It should be like this on your heels. And hold this towel and just lie down. Just lie down and come up. That's much. 1. We'll do some crunches. 2. Okay. So we'll continue this for at least 10 repetitions. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just relax. Take out a breath and relax. Take out a breath and relax. It's very important to take out a breath and relax because whenever we're going to do another exercise, we want to face a lot of problems. So it's better to take out a breath while taking a break and just relax yourself. Relaxing is very important. Just relax. Take out a breath and relax. Take out a breath and relax. Now we'll do some kind of a cardio exercise. I think we have done a lot of towel exercise today, but now it's time to do some cardio exercise. Cardio exercise is very, very important for your cardiovascular muscle. It's good for your heart. Okay, so if you're going to do a cardio exercise regularly, there's a less chances of getting a heart attack. So it's better to continue cardio, whether walk, jogging, any kind of a cardio. Use staircase as much as possible, do cycling, do swimming, whatever you like to do. But now what we are going to do is a sideways jump. So how to do a sideways jump? Make sure your body is little bent. Not like this, not like this, just little bent. Body should be stable, core muscle should be tight. You can keep your hands like this, 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 any way you like to do. And jump on your toes, not on your heels. Yeah, ऐसे jump नहीं करना. You don't have to jump like this. Jump on your toes. It's very important to jump on your toes. Then switch to another side. So we'll do this at least for 10 times, 5 each side. Okay. So let's do this. And if you want to do little fast, if you want to do a little tough, punch, punch. On the other side, whenever you're jumping on the right side, punch from the right side. Whenever jumping on the left side, punch from the left hand side. Okay. And inhale, exhale should be very, very normal in this cardio. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Relax, relax, relax yourself, relax yourself. It's very important to relax. After this, we'll do one more cardio. We'll do a jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is one of the best cardio. Okay. So just stay normal. Again, you need to jump on your toes only. Jumping here should be like this. I will show it from here also. Okay, so we'll continue like this and we'll do jumping jacks at least for 15 times, not 10 times this time. Breathing should be very normal. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to do fast? You can do it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and one more, 15. Stop. Relax. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Release. Release. Take a deep breath. And release. Take a deep breath. So, whenever taking a breath, take from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Take from your nose, exhale from your mouth. It's very important to take a breath in. Okay, now we'll switch to stretching. Stretching is basically to open up your muscles, to open up your joints. Stretching is very important to perform a better exercise on the another day. So let's do some stretching exercise. So stretching exercise, what we are going to do, just spread your legs a little bit. Lock your palm like this, lock your palm like this. And you just need to push your hips back as much as possible. Make sure your spinal cord should be straight. Spine should be straight. Okay, just lock your palm. And we'll do, after this, one more stretching. That's it. Push. And look down. Okay, let's start. So we'll start this thing, or also you can understand, also you can have a feel that where you are having a stretch. So while doing this exercise, you will have an entire body stretch from this side, the shoulder muscles, your back, everything. So let's do it. We'll hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super. Just relax. Last stretching and last exercise of our day. Just stay like this. Shoulder width, your leg should be shoulder width. Arm should be straight. Fold your arms. Then press from your palm on the back side as much as possible, but you just need to look straight. Don't bend back. Just look straight. Just look slick. So again, we'll do this stretching at least for 10 times. 10 counts basically, not 10 times. So let's start with the right leg. Hold like this. And we'll hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, just take out a breath and release. And release. Take out a breath and release. So, thank you so very much, guys, for attending this session. This session is over as of now. So I'd like to hand over to my friend Vashaji. So Vashaji, you can take it over. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, ESG, for such wonderful exercises. Now it is time for meditation. So I request all of you to lie down in Shavasana, or you can sit comfortably on the ground if possible. Please close your eyes. Just be with your breath. Keep a lovely smile on your face. Meditation means to be with your own self, to be with your own soul. Just be with your breath.
I am not the mind, I am not the intellect, I am not the ego, nor consciousness. I am not the ears, nor the tongue, not the nose or the eyes.
Manobuddhi ahamkara chitani naham na cha shrotra jeev hai na cha grana netre.
I am not the space, I am not the earth, I am not the fire or the wind. I am eternal bliss. I am Shiva.
Na cha vyoma bhumir na tejo na vayu chidananda rupa shivoham.
I am not the breathing power, I am not the 7 metals, I am not the 5 coverings.
Na cha prana sagno na va pancha vayu na va sapta dhatu na va pancha kosha.
I am not the speech, I am not the hands, I am not the feet, nor the rectum. I am eternal bliss. I am Shiva.
Na vakpani padam na cha pasta payu chidananda rupa shivoham shivoham.
I am not envy, I am not anger. I am nor craving, nor attraction. I am not arrogance, nor pride, nor religion.
Na me dvesha ragho, na me lobha moho, madho neva meneva matsarya bhava.
I am not wealth, I am not lust, nor liberation. I am eternal bliss. I am
Na dharmo na chatro, na kamo na moksha, chidananda rupa shivoham shivoham.
I am not virtue, I am not sin, I am not joy, nor sorrow. I am not the mantra, pilgrimage, I am not the offering, I am not ritual fire.
Na punyam na papam न साख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न मेधा न यज्ञः
I am not food, I am not the eating, nor the one who eats. I am eternal bliss. I am Shiva.
अहं भोजनं नैव भोजं न भोक्तः चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
I am not death, I am not doubt, nor discrimination of caste. I am not the father, I am not the mother or birth.
न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः
I am not the brother, I am not the friend, nor the guru, nor the aspirant. I am eternal bliss. I am Shiva.
न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुनैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
I am beyond concept, beyond form. I am all pervading in all the senses.
अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वे
Take a deep breath. Slowly turn to your left side and sit comfortably. Open your eyes. Must be feeling so peaceful, right? Thank you, Vedosi, for your beautiful voice and Manojji for your guidance. Such many more guided meditations are available on Manojji's YouTube channel. If you have any challenges or difficulties in the area of health, wealth, and relationship, we have Leah Help Desk. The details are getting flashed on your screen, including contact number, web link, and the QR code as well. During this Corona pandemic or in any other situations, we are always eager to help you. I'm sure you would like to remain in this peaceful state of mind all throughout the day, for which we have a wonderful tool called segment intending. To know more about it, we'll watch this video.
Welcome, all of you, to segment intending. What is segment intending? It is a pause which we take every 1.5 hours, and the pause is just a gratitude break and an opportunity to create what we want. There are two parts. One is the past and one is the future. What we have to do is just put our hands on the heart and thank the past. Three things we will thank the past. Past is first, we thank, if you have a guru, thank Guruji or your mother and father. So thank you, Guruji, or thank you, mommy and daddy, for giving this wonderful life. The second thank you is thank you, this Mother Earth, for giving us so much love. And the third thank you is thank you to this wonderful body to give us vibrant health. Now, this is the past. Now, future. So put the other hand here, and the future we create. So future we create is thank you, thank you, thank you. The next 1.5 hours is the most wonderful hours of my life. And then you may add on whatever you're going to do. You can add on to that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And whatever you want to say, you can say, and say it in positive, present, continuous tense. That's all you have to do. Takes 1 minute. And put your hand first, the past, put your hand this way, the future. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Manojji, for such wonderful tool. Thanks a lot, Sindhya ji. And a big thank you to all of you. Stay happy, stay healthy. Over to Amulya, you.
That was a wonderful session. I would like to thank all the facilitators for this session. I hope you all will join back tomorrow 7:30 in the evening for an English session and 7:30 in the morning for a Hindi session. Now, I would like to keep you all informed about some of the initiatives of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. The first one is the Scout Oxygen Bank. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka provides oxygen concentrators to COVID-19 positive individuals under home isolation in Bengaluru city. You can contact the number given on the screen when it is necessary. The next one is regarding the digital scout registration. All Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka can now register themselves digitally. We all can stay united on a virtual basis. You'll get updates and informations about scouting and guiding. All you need to do is to open the browser and enter the link that is given on the screen, fill the form to submit it. The next one is regarding the good turn that has been assigned for tomorrow, that is 11th of June 2021. You need to save food and share your idea on how you can save food and how you can manage food. Take a picture of that and upload it in the link that is given using the hashtag #ScoutGoodTurnDaily. The next one is regarding the virtual campfire that is going to be held on this Sunday, that is 13th of June 2021, in your local associations. You can contact your unit leaders or local associations for the link. The topic is going to be exhibit of millets, and each person can be speaking about the benefits of millets. They can do plays, sing songs, or do drawings, presentations, and much more. You can also get your certificate after the completion, and the link is open from 13th of June 2021 10 p.m. to 17th of June 2021 10 p.m. Now here is a song that you can try and do something similar to this during your virtual campfire.
ನವನಿಯ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ನುಯ್ದಾವ ಎರಡು ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ನವನಿಯ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ನುಯ್ದಾವ ಎರಡು ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳಬಲ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನನ್ಯಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಬೆಳಬಲ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನನ್ಯಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಂಗಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಬೇಕಾಂಗಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹೊರಬೇಕ ಯವ್ವ ಶಗನಿಯ ಬೂಟಿ ಹೊರಬೇಕ ಯವ್ವ ಶಗನಿಯ ಬೂಟಿ ನವನಿಯ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ನುಯ್ದಾವ ಎರಡು ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ನವನಿಯ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ನುಯ್ದಾವ ಎರಡು ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳಬಲ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನನ್ಯಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಬೆಳಬಲ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನನ್ಯಾಕ ಕೋಟಿ.
You can try some more folk songs like this and sing it during your virtual campfire. The next one is regarding the Scout Skillo webinars. If you have missed on any Scout Skillo webinar, you can watch it on the first link that is given on the screen. In order to submit your digital logbooks, you can use the second link for Cook Badge, third link for Solar Energy Badge Level 1, fourth link for Bookbinder Badge, fifth link for Naturalist Skill Badge, and the sixth link for Paper Art Badge. Also, if you have completed your family tree chat, you can submit it in the first link that is given on the next screen. Interview any person from your family who has been a part of scouting or guiding in their life, ask them about their experience and the new skills that they learned in the process, and upload it under the heading "Once a Scout, Always a Scout" in the second link that is given in the screen. The Scouting Waves e-newspaper team is looking for voluntary interns for reporters, proofreaders, content writers, graphic designers, social media editors, and more between the age of 15 to 25 years. If you're the one having passion for scouting, flair for writing, and crazy for creativity, you can use the QR code and join our team. I hope you all enjoyed this session. See you all tomorrow. Thank you.